Have you ever dreamed about getting paid to travel, receiving amazing PR packages, and creating beautiful content that brands actually pay you for? You're not alone, but starting out in this space can feel overwhelming, especially when others seem way ahead. The good news, you can build a profitable travel UGC career as a beginner. In this video, we will show you exactly how. Let's break it all down step by step so you know how to start, what you'll need, your potential earnings, and how you can stand out and get paid what you deserve. What is a travel UGC creator? UGC stands for User Generated Content. A travel UGC creator makes short videos, photos, or reviews about travel destinations, hotels, gear, experiences, or services. Brands use this content for their own marketing. It's more authentic and relatable than traditional ads. As a UGC creator, you don't have to post on your own account unless you want to. All you have to do is create content for the brand to use. To start as a paid travel UGC creator, you will need a phone or a camera. Your camera does not have to be fancy. A good smartphone with a quality camera works great, like an iPhone 12 Plus, Samsung 24 Plus, or a Google Pixel 6 Plus works great. Basic editing skills. Learn to edit short videos using free apps like CapCut, VN Editor, or InShot. Keep your edits clean, bright, and engaging. A starter portfolio. Create 5 to 10 pieces of fake spec content. For this portfolio, you can do things like review your local coffee shop, film a hotel room tour at a staycation spot, or even show your favorite travel gadget. Brands care more about the quality of your work than the follower count. A media kit. The media kit is about you, sample works like services you offer, example video ads, unboxing, reviews, and your contact information. Next is an outreach strategy. Don't wait for brands to find you. You won't grow by waiting. Pitch yourself. Email travel brands, hotels, travel agencies, tourism boards, airlines, credit card companies, and gear brands directly. Use LinkedIn and Instagram DMs to reach out. Find brand contacts on their websites by looking at PR and marketing emails. How to get PR packages and actually get paid. People think PR packages is equal to success, but free gifts alone don't pay your bills. Here's how to do it right. Make clear you are a paid creator. When pitching to brands, state that I offer professional UGC services to help brands create authentic travel content for marketing campaigns. Negotiate paid campaigns. If a brand offers a PR package, ask them, do you have a budget allocated for content creation? Sign contracts. Always use a simple agreement stating deliverables, the number of photos or videos, and the payment terms. Set rates. Beginner rates per video is about $100 to $300. Experience rates goes for about $500 to $1,500. You can bundle package for bigger projects. Here's how much money you can potentially make as a beginner travel UGC creator. For a 15 to 30 seconds video, about $100 to $250. For a 60-second video, about $200 to $400. For a photo set, about 5 to 10 images, about $100 to $300. You may also start getting free products like gears, hotel stays, or even travel gadgets once brands notice your content. Paid travel collabs. Once you build relationship and have a portfolio, brands may pay for flights, accommodation, and your content fees. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Always clarify if the brands expect just content or content plus posting on your account. Note well, posting should cost extra. How to be unique and stand out even as a beginner. Most UGC travel creator looks the same. Here's how you can crush it. Focus on underrepresented location or underserved niches. Eco travel, affordable luxury, family-friendly travel, travel, wellness, and retreats. These areas have less competition but high demand. Or maybe you love filming sunrise hotel views or point of view adventures. Find a consistent theme and develop a signature style. Niche down hard. Budget travel for couples, solo female travel to lesser known islands, family friendly eco resorts, and real life travel tips, not just the glamorous shots. Show the behind the scenes. Brands love authenticity. Show what it really takes to pack, travel, and create not just the perfect finished product. Tell a story. Brand want contents that feel real. Share personal moments like, this hidden beach was the best part of my weekend getaway. Make your content emotional. Instead of here's a hotel tour, say something like, this hotel saved my trip when I was stranded in XYZ. Offer packages instead of just videos. For example, 2 TikTok videos, 10 photos, and 1 blog post can be about $800+. Invest in branding. Make your brand media kit and email look professional. First impression matters. Use Canva template. They have a free version to make a clean branded kit. Learn about SEO and keywords. Use keywords like best boutique hotels, hidden travel gems, or affordable luxury stay in your caption and videos. It helps brand find you faster. Work smarter with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or CapCut templates to speed up your content creation without sacrificing quality. Where to find paid UGC travel opportunities? Direct pitching. This one is the best. Target locals first. Focus on hotels, cafes, and restaurants in your area before pitching major international brands. Find hotels, travel agencies, gear brands on LinkedIn, Instagram, or even Google. Send them a short pitch like, hi, I'm Karine, a travel content creator. I specialize in creating high converting video content. I would love to create authentic UGC for your brand. Are you currently working with creators? Because I would really love to work with you. Sounds convincing, right? Some other places are UGC Marketplace, Fiverr, Create a UGC Gig, Upwork, Freelance Travel Projects, Trend.io, Incense, Creator.co, they are UGC platforms. And also networking. Connect with PR agencies that work with travel clients. LinkedIn is gold for this. Here are some creative and unique ideas to build your brand. First 24 hours series, document your first 24 hours in every city or hotel you visit. Behind the scene contents, show how you set up your travel shoots. Brand loves seeing your creative process. Secret travel hacks. Share travel tips that make trips easier. For example, packing hacks or even how to find cheap flights. Mini reviews. Post short 30-second hotels or Airbnb reviews highlighting the best and worst parts. Potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. For the brands offering only free products, politely decline or ask for payment on top. If you haven't heard back from the brand after pitching, do a follow-up like 5 to 7 days later. Persistence wins. If you're getting underpaid, know your rates. Never work for less than $100 for video content. Becoming a paid travel UGC creator and getting PR packages is 100% possible, even if you're starting with 0 followers. It may feel intimidating now, but every big UGC creator started with 0 followers, 0 experience, and 0 portfolio pieces. The key is creating quality content, pitching yourself like a professional, and consistently improving your skills. Consistency, creativity, and pitching smartly are the real secrets. Stay authentic, niche down, and treat your work like a business, not a hobby. Focus on building a strong portfolio, charging what you're worth, and standing out with your unique style. You're not too late, and you're definitely not too small to start. Your next adventure could pay you back big time. All you need to do is to take the first step. Comment below if you found this video helpful and if you want to see more video content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend or someone who may want to start a travel related business. Thanks for watching and remember, you got this. Boss up.